Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for silver for Wednesday, July the 20th, 2011. Well, the change of trend today, and we can see with this candle we have a candle that's made a lower high and a lower low. Previous day's candle we had a red body candle with a higher high but a lower low. In bar chart terms, that's an outside day, a day of indecision, and set this market up for the potential change of trend that came to fruition today. Yesterday's trading, we saw the market find resistance at the top of the cloud, and that's an area that we should be looking at for tomorrow's trading and for the near future, because that will potentially hold as resistance again. Today's candle is a doji candle, and that's a candle of indecision. So we've had this change of trend, but on a very indecisive candle. We've actually had this market find resistance at the $40 level and support at the 38.18 level. We can see the long shadow at the top, and that represented the buyers losing commitment as the market tested resistance at 40, and the long shadow on the bottom represents the sellers losing commitment as the market tested support at 38.18. So a very indecisive type candle. So there is potential for this market to change trend again to the upside. Now that doesn't mean that it will, it just suggests that there is potential, because this change of trend is not being supported by the sellers at the moment. So obviously for the next day's trading, this level at 38.18 becomes very important. Now we also have very strong support down below where the market's trading, and because we're trading within the cloud, we have support all the way anywhere through the cloud extending down to 36. We also have potential support at the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, which are trading at 37.84.5 and 37.13, and we have a previous level at 36.75 where there is potential for support. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, the market is trading within the cloud, so we have a neutral market in big picture terms. If we do see a breakout to the upside, and particularly on a bullish candle, then that would be a very strong bullish signal in Ichimoku charts. It would be a buy signal. And what we should also look at some of the other indicators, for example, the Chiku span, which we can just see here at the right-hand side of the chart, and that is trading up above the corresponding price action. And if that remains above, and we do have that breakout up above the cloud, then that would reinforce the bullish signal. But we don't want to preempt the market. We should wait until something occurs. Now, the market is also trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so we have a bullish market in the medium-term time frame and the fast-term time frame as well. One thing to watch out for is that the Kijun-sen has turned flat, and very often when that turns flat, price action is attracted back towards there. So there is a chance that the market may continue within the downtrend, so that makes that 38.18 level even more important for the potential for the market to continue to the downside. So basically for the next day's trading, the region around the high and low of this candle is very important. The area at 40 for resistance, and then above at the top of the cloud, which is up around 41, and then the area around the low at 38.18. We do need to watch those levels very carefully tomorrow.